pic ideas, but this time we make it travel core. These ideas will be story-centric, like where you've been, what you felt, and those little moments your camera almost missed. If you've ever wanted to level up your foot photography, or you're just collecting photo shoot ideas that feel personable, aesthetic, and low-key addictive, we at Feetfinder got you. I started taking feet pics while traveling without even thinking about it. It was never about just feet. It was about perspective, first-person moments, tiny details that hit harder than wide shots sometimes. And yeah, whether you're doing this for fun, for content, or even just curious about selling feet pics or exploring how to sell feet pics, these ideas can actually make your photos stand out without even trying too hard. Let's get into it. Feet on sandy beaches. This one's classic, but don't just stand there. Move your feet, drag your toes, catch that moment when the water hits and pulls back. Golden hour works best. Shadows, texture, everything just pops. Think less posed, more I just got here and forgot the world exists. Feet relaxed on a hammock. This is peak slow living energy. Let your feet hang naturally, maybe a slight sway. It's giving I have nowhere to be vibe and energy. Super simple, but one of the easiest photo ideas at home too if you have a hammock setup. Feet after a morning run. This one tells a story without saying anything. Post-run, a little sweaty, a little tired, but satisfied. Capture the stillness after the movement. That contrast hits. Feet relaxing after a hike. Socks off moment. You know that feeling when you finally take your socks off after a long hike? Yeah, that. Your feet are tired, maybe a little messy, but that's the whole point. It's raw, it's real, and honestly, one of the most underrated foot photography moments. Flowers on feet. This one leans more artistic. Use whatever's around you. Wildflowers, petals, even leaves. Keep it soft, minimal movement. It's giving calm, grounded, almost meditative. Pampering feet. Self-care content always performs well for a reason. Whether you're at a resort, in your Airbnb, or just chilling in a spa, this adds a different vibe. This also works perfectly if you're experimenting with selling feet pics. Clean, well-lit, intentional shots go a long way. Feet in a lake, shallow water. This one's all about movement and reflection. Let the water distort your feet a little bit. It adds texture and depth. Shoot from above or slightly angled for that dreamy look. Feet at the back of a pickup truck, sunset. This is straight up road trip energy. Bare feet, dusty skin, golden skies. You don't need much, just timing and a good angle. Let the background breathe. Feet on the roadside, empty roads. Minimal, cinematic, slightly rebellious. Find a safe, empty stretch and shoot low. This one feels like freedom, like you're in the middle of nowhere and it's yours. Feet on motorcycle pegs. The motorcycle doesn't even need to run. It's just a prop. Visually, it's insane. Who doesn't love women and motorcycles? It's a full story in one frame. Feet on a cruiser skateboard. Balance, motion, texture. Catch your feet mid-ride or paused with the board angled. It adds energy to your feet, especially if everything else feels too static. Feet climbing a tree. This one feels playful and almost nostalgic. Climbing trees isn't just for kids. It actually makes a cool perspective shot. Focus on textured bark against skin, feet resting on a big dog or fluffy cat. There's always a sweet, lovable fur baby in every destination, guaranteed. This is comfort content. Soft textures, warm lighting, zero effort. Also, any subject with fur friends included always wins. No explanation needed. At the end of the day, it's not really about feet, it's about the moment. These Feetfinder feet pic ideas are just a way to capture your travels differently, making it a little bit more personal and uniquely your own. And if you're exploring how to sell your feet pics or just building a creative portfolio, storytelling will always set you apart. Enjoyed this video? Follow us for more and visit feetfinder.com for more ideas and opportunities for you and your feet.